Happy New Year. It is January 1st, 2025. We're in Levi's room, and last night we had a little New Year's Eve party, and in celebration of New Year's Day, Levi's getting balloons and tissue paper flowers put up on his fan as a celebration of New Year's. And I had a recommendation to use some flashlight time on the fans. So there's the blue. There's a spin down. Are you gonna make it go some more, Levi, or are you all done? Levi's got the remote here, so we'll see. There we go. There's green. Red. And we have a flashlight on Levi's bed pointing up, so we have a little bit of the white light there. Okay, Levi, are you gonna let it spin down?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
And there we go.